So I'm going to be working on a cheap Walmart push mower. A friend of mine at work has. He said he used it once, maybe twice, about 20 minutes total. Has never been able to get it to start again. So I drained the gas, put fresh gas in it. We're going to see if we can get it to start. And then we're going to pull the carb apart and go from there. These are actually just like welding or spot welding pliers, but I'm going to use it to pinch off the fuel line. Bowl doesn't look too dirty. Float seems to be intact. There we go. I'm gonna spray all this stuff down real quick. I cannot tell if that's an orifice that needs to be cleaned or if it's okay. That orifice is clean. Ooh. Blowing in that end. Hold on, see if you can. That little chunk came out near the bottom of that. Just need to clear that out. But that's what was holding us up. So, and ready? Look at that. Some sort of junk up in this cheap piece of crap carburetor. There we go. So you got to put that little piece that fell out for your Venturi. And this one pokes back in. Seats back down. Float's still in place. So thread this back on, get that bend back out of it that I manhandled on the way in, or the way out rather. Right. So a little tiny piece of plastic inside the emulsion tube on a cheap throwaway lawnmower, I think, is all that kept it from working. So let's see if we can get it started up now. So the biggest issue I have with stuff like this is it's a $120 lawnmower. If you pay shop rates, let's say up to 80, 90 bucks an hour to have a mechanic work on this lawnmower, it's not worth having it repaired. But I didn't look up any diagrams. I didn't do anything other than take a carburetor apart, which is a pretty simple thing, figure out where the gas goes in it, and figure out what passage was clogged, clean it out, and it fired right up first pull. And this is not what you saw earlier wasn't the first time I tried to start this. I had started a couple weeks ago and got sick in cold weather and everything else, so I came back to it, still wouldn't run. It was that little piece of plastic in that emulsion tube that I was able to shoot out with some compressed air. That's all it took. And I hate to see this cheap junk get thrown away because you can't afford to have somebody else fix it. So hopefully somebody else is having trouble with their lawnmower can use this to their advantage and get it repaired themselves and keep it out of a landfill. Anyway, that's it. Got her fixed.